but your hands are colder, colder. There's no beating coming from your wooden chest. Frozen grin, a mannequin. When I get closer, I can see the strings that underneath your vest. If you can cry real tears, then you're gonna cry them all for me. If you can feel real fears, then I'm gonna leave you shivering. I'm gonna make you, I'm gonna make you, I'm gonna make you. I'm gonna make you, I'm gonna make you, I'm gonna make you into a real boy, the big reveal boy. Gonna make you feel, boy, just like a real boy, just like a real boy. Who's the one that turned your world to winter, winter? Who's the boy beneath the doll that wants to live? I can give you life with just a single whisper, show you what the meaning of a heartbeat is. If you can cry real tears, then you're gonna cry them all for me. If you can feel real fears, then I'm gonna leave you shivering. I'm gonna make you, I'm gonna make you, I'm gonna make you. I'm gonna make you, I'm gonna make you, I'm gonna make you into a real boy, the big reveal boy. Gonna make you feel, boy, just like a real boy, just like a real boy.
You have chosen to seek professional assistance in understanding the art of human love. Step 1. Engage your partner in a series of increasingly intimate questions. Then, answer the same questions openly and truthfully. Step 2. Wait until an appropriate level of personal rapport has been achieved before participating in skin-on-skin contact. Step 3. Remain emotionally present during intercourse, periodically gazing into one another's eyes until the final moment of physical intimacy.
If you can cry real tears, then you're gonna cry them all for me. If you can feel real fears, then I'm gonna leave you shivering. I'm gonna make you, I'm gonna make you, I'm gonna make you. I'm gonna make you, I'm gonna make you, I'm gonna make you into a real boy, the big reveal boy. Gonna make you feel, boy, just like a real boy, just like a real boy, just like a real boy.
Step 4. Once both parties have reached climax, continue to hold each other in a close embrace. Step 5. When the evening is complete, do not exit the building. I repeat, do not exit the building until the morning sun has risen.
Wish I could feel what I can't see. Float like a butterfly, scream like a banshee. Something's hiding in the pantry that I can't find it, so would you please enchant me? Give me a potion for my devotion to the emotion. I've yet to surrender to tales of forever, but never say never, my dear. Can you make me believe it at night when I call for the magic? 'Cause I just wanna feel it when things go bump Heard voices in the night, whispers of double lives. Saw back from where your knife went in. Dark eyes without a face. Now that I'm on the case, LA Confidential, I deal with the devil, I won't leave a trace. Watching every move you're making, I'll keep my guard up, lie awake. And now you've crossed that line, I'm up all night. I'm gonna sleep with one eye open. The trust we made went broke, lost in mirrors and smoke. You laughed, but now the joke's on you. Look closely where you step. Look right and to the left, 'cause you got a sickness and I got a witness you'll never suspect. Watching every move you make.